Hey, how are you? I wake up in the morning, I see the blue sky. I gotta thank the Lord that the day went by. I can see it in your eyes. I know you want some love. Everybody pick on me, but do you think I give a fuck? No, I say for love. Let them make it through. They will try to use you, then treat you like a fool. I was on the news talking about my accident. Even though we can't see no black president, that's irrelevant, that devil is our all black to a show. Everybody know where I go. To the studio and blow. Make a run real quick, and you know I'm rolling around with them sticks. These hoes be on my dick, so you know me. I'll never trade you for shit. Everybody playing with me, cause they know I'm a blow. That's why they underscore. That's why I'll never trust no hoe. And you got me though. Why you playing with me? Cause this society is fucked up. They want me to be a black leader. You is right. And you know I can ride a bike. You can't change me. Cause you know I'm living my dream. And you know when I step on the scene, they always calling for me. And they know me. Cause I'm KD. And they know me. I'm from 38. What all the art be fake. And you know we got the beat. And you know I got that heat. Ain't nobody gonna be creep around me. Cause they know me, I get that Glock. And I won't stop till the police come though. You know I'm not dumb, I'm just the one to fuck with. Now you looking at me cause you know I'm not the dumbest. Now you run it and you come in. I got something for your ass if you come for me. If you come for me, I'm coming for your brain. And it won't change. And it come from anything. You know I wear a pinky ring. And you know my name is don't never changing. It's coming to the brain. I wear a gold chain, I do me too. Why you lame? You know I'm on the game.